Imagine you are driving your diesel truck, and suddenly that dreaded check engine light pops up on the dash, and you notice your exhaust system is taking way too long to burn off soot. That is exactly what happens when your computer sees a P0487 code. This usually hits diesel engines built after 2004, and it is all about the exhaust gas recirculation throttle control valve. Think of this valve like a mini throttle body sitting right between your intake manifold and the air filter. Its main job is to create a bit of vacuum to pull those exhaust gases back into the engine. But when the circuit is open, the communication breaks down completely. Your powertrain control module, or PCM, loses track of where that valve is because the voltage signals are all wrong or missing. Most of the time you are looking at an electrical headache like a broken wire, a short to ground, or a connector that has seen better days. Before you go out and buy expensive parts, you really should check for any technical service bulletins, or TSBs, for your specific model because the manufacturer might already have a fix that saves you a ton of time. When you find the valve, look closely at the wires for any rubbing, scraping, or melted plastic. If you pull the connectors apart and see a weird green tint on the metal terminals, that is corrosion messing with your signal. You can try cleaning it with electrical contact cleaner and a plastic brush, then apply some dielectric grease to keep the moisture out. If the code stays after cleaning, you will need a digital voltmeter, or DVOM, to see if you have 5 volts at the signal circuit. If you see 12 volts or 0, you have a wiring issue or a bad PCM. It is a bit of a process, but checking the ground circuit with a test light while wiggling the harness is a pro move to find those annoying intermittent connections that drive everyone crazy. If everything else tests fine and that code is still there, you are likely looking at a failed valve that needs a full replacement to get your regeneration times back to normal and keep your engine running clean.